walking across campus on a sunny afternoon. You put in your earbuds, tap a song on your phone, and the music starts playing instantly, long before you've even taken your next step. That one tap is part of a massive global wave. Every day, people around the world hit play 1 billion times, creating a constant, invisible stream of data moving across the globe. It's a level of speed we usually don't see. A typical video file for a class project might take minutes to download, yet a song, which is still a significant amount of data, appears in milliseconds. Spotify manages this by operating like a massive, perfectly synchronized company. Instead of one person trying to do everything, the system is broken down into specific roles that each handle one small part of the job. Seeing how these roles work together explains how a system can serve hundreds of millions of people at once without ever slowing down. Let's look at the exact moment your finger touches the screen. The very first stop for your request is a digital security check. Think of this as a security guard at the front door of the company. They quickly check your ID to make sure you remember and have permission to hear the song. Once cleared, the request moves to the DJ. It looks up the recipe for the song, title, artist, file details, but doesn't play the music. The DJ never hands the music file back to you. If every listener asked the DJ for the actual file, the system would stop. Instead, the DJ signals a local delivery truck parked in your neighborhood. This storage hub is physically close to you. Because popular songs sit in these local trucks, millions of people stream the same hit simultaneously without bothering the main servers. By separating the thinkers who check IDs and find song names from the movers who deliver the actual files, the system stays fast no matter how many people join the party. Now that the local delivery truck is ready to send the music to your phone, it has to decide how to hand it over. If the truck tried to throw the entire 5-minute song file at you at once, your phone would struggle to catch it. You'd be stuck waiting for a loading bar while your phone processed that huge amount of data. To keep things moving, the system chops the song into tiny 5-second blocks. Your phone only asks for the next small piece when it's ready, ensuring the music starts the moment the first tiny block arrives. If you walk into a building with a weak signal, the truck instantly notices and starts sending smaller, lighter blocks. The sound quality might dip slightly, but the song never stops. This constant handoff of tiny pieces creates the experience of one smooth, perfect stream, even if your internet connection is bouncing up and down. Eventually, that song will end. This is where the system has to decide what you're going to hear next.
If you're searching for a specific track, a specialized search service handles the request. It's designed to understand what you mean even if you make a typo or only remember half the title. But if you're just listening, the system acts like a smart study buddy who has been paying close attention to your taste, noting which songs you skip and which ones you repeat. Analyzing your taste to find the perfect match involves millions of calculations. If the system tried to do this math the second your song ended, you'd be left in silence. Instead, the heavy math happens while you aren't even using the app. The system builds your personalized recommendations overnight and saves them. When you hit play the next morning, the thinking is already done. Doing the work ahead of time means the app is always one step ahead of you, removing the need for a loading screen. When we step back, we see the whole team: the security guard, the DJ, the local truck, and the smart friend, all working in a continuous loop. Every time you use the app, thousands of these precise digital decisions are made and executed in less time than it takes to blink. Putting on your headphones connects you to a global network of helpers that are constantly preparing for your next tap. These hidden layers of design are what allow a simple app to feel effortless, even while it serves a billion streams to the entire world. In our next episode, we'll look at how YouTube manages to store and play every video on Earth. Follow along to see how these massive systems are built, one step at a time.